Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Yes, welcome. No matter you are the old friend or our new friend, yes, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin. I come from Shumatt, China. Our company is specialized in the common rail inject, and today I want to share with you some of our product. If you are interested about our product, please follow me. Let's check the details, okay? And this is a product. This is a control valve we are showing today. Let's check the details first. Okay, boys and girls, come on, follow me. Let's see the packaging bags. We package with the VC anti-rust bags. Yes, it's environmental friendly. Yeah, don't worry about that. And on this part, you can see this is a label. On the first line of this label, it's the Shumatt brand logo. If you want to print with your own logo, yes, contact us, okay? Yes, just do it. Contact us. Because with Shumatt, we supply this kind of customized services. We can print your logo, we can design the label, and we can help you to design this kind of packaging bags and so on. Yes, if you have this kind of demand, please let me know about it, okay? Yes. And on this part, it's the model number. The model number is F00VC01367. And on this part, it's a product name. Everyone knows the product name, right? If you see my videos. Common rail valve, and on this part it's application inject model numbers. It's 0445110318 and 0445110361. Okay, on this part you can see this square print. This is a QR code. Yes, everybody know about it. It's QR code. You can use a phone to scan it to find more information. Okay, then I want to get it to show you more, okay? Let's find something interesting. Yes, it's a little bottle, a little bit cute. And now I will open it to see the inside part. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. This is oil paper. Oil paper with some, also in the paper, this had some letters on it, but not some romantic words, just some product code maybe. Okay, let's see. This is the whole side of our valve assembly. Actually, we're not only sealing the whole side, but also we're sealing the separate parts. Let's see the separate part, okay? Wow, this is our valve cap. The valve cap, okay. This is the valve cap. The valve cap, you can see there has a coating on it and also with the curved letters. Okay, so much for our valve cap. And now it's turned to our valve rod. The valve rod, as you can see, actually we have different size. We have different lengths for the valve rod. If you have the demand, you want the other size of the product, yes, contact us. Because we can satisfy you. And any demands, you can contact us. Okay, so much for the product details. Actually, we have many models about our product, right? Maybe some of our customers, if you don't really know about our product, yes, at that time send us the product code or the numbers. Yes, we can help you to check it. And also, we have an app. You can download the app and to find more information. By the way, about our product information, Caitlin wants to share with you a little good news. About our product, we had the 6 months warranties. Wow, 6 months, that's really a long period, right? And so what are you waiting for? If you want our products, just contact us, okay? And we had the 6 months warranty. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange the product for you. Okay, Except that I occasionally want to share with you the 3 tips. Yes, I want to make better for our customers. Actually, the first tip is if you want to clean the injector or the spare parts, you'd better to use the oil. Use the oil to clean it. Yes. The second tip is if you want to install the valve or control valve, yes, you'd better to make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly after assembly inject body. And